Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled When Police Struggle to Take a Wanted Woman Into Custody, a Body Cam Breakdown by Body Cam Watch.
Guess what? Y'all gonna chase.
We're not doing this.
Man, I don't care.
They ain't got to do too much chasing. You ain't going that far.
Okay. You know if she's drinking?
She definitely drunk.
High on something?
Ought to be like, she on something.
Alright. Good morning.
Did she say good morning? Oh yeah, you good and drunk when you can fall asleep like that.
Hey, you okay? Alright. What happened?
He hit her with that, hey sunshine, good morning.
Nothing. Sorry.
You just fell asleep?
I know.
I got you. You okay?
Yes, sir.
Say, you look like you were sleeping pretty good. Okay. Ma'am, what's your name?
Oh, I'm fine.
Okay. What's your name, though?
I said my name is Emily.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Emily, what? Do you have your ID, ma'am? I just need to identify her. Is it in your
I have
purse?
my police ID. You want that? No,
Ma'am?
I lost everything. I'm homeless in here in Savannah, Georgia, Statesboro, Georgia.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know,
She was sleeping like a baby.
name and number, Social Security card.
I just need your name and birthday. How about that?
Beatrice Emily Jackson. BEATRE 810
She could barely keep her eyes open.
Hannah George. I ain't even allowed to go home because y'all stupid ass probation. I paid for them damn checks and I plead guilty.
What do y'all want done? Y'all just want her gone? Y'all want her CT'd or what? What you want to do?
What's her warrant for? Disorderly conduct?
That's it. I thought she had a warrant for murder or something, or drugs.
I mean, I don't mind taking her.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, as long as you're good with it, we'll do that, okay? I'm not trying to dump it out on you. All right. All right, let's do it.
All right, Miss Jackson.
Ooh, I am for real.
You do have a warrant for disorderly conduct, okay?
Where
Out of Camler County.
I know that one. It's disorderly conduct and assault to an officer when he took his chest cam. And I sat there and it's like this. I know I have a warrant, but they let me go when I left Toombs County. After Toombs County laid on me, kept me.
Oh, now
for a
she
week,
up.
Got the matter, got here. I done paid for the civil suit checks. I should not be on probation here.
I gotcha. Yes, ma'am. But you still do have that warrant that is
I
active
know.
right now.
You want to transport me? I'll take you. Shit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you need somewhere to stay. Shit, that's a good place to start.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take you. We're gonna go
To the
meet.
jail and sit there. And then I'll be in prison. Because I'm finna fuck up Cameron County because they should have never revoked me.
I got
They
you.
should have
Yes,
never
ma'am.
put, I ain't got to do anything else. If y'all want to fight, we'll fight.
No, man,
Whoa.
we're not gonna do
I mean, like, come on, big baby. We ain't nobody got time for that.
that. Okay,
When I'm supposed to help y'all,
ma'am.
and y'all gonna start paying me.
Miss Jackson, we need you to
I'm
turn.
finna,
We
we
need
finna,
you
I'm
to
finna get
They finna start paying you for you doing dumb shit and get arrested. How does that work?
put my stuff in your truck, and we finna go.
You're gonna put your
Because
hands.
I could call my mama, I could call my
You're gonna
daddy,
put your hands behind
and
your
it's
back
gonna be
first.
fucked up.
All right.
Mama, I
Miss Jackson,
love
put
you.
your hands behind your back first.
P.O.P. Hold it down.
Can you
I
head
ain't
this
got
way?
nothing. I can take off running.
Okay. Well, we're not gonna do that.
You not gonna get that far. Do you see you? I'm not trying to fat shame nobody, but come on now. We gotta be real with ourselves.
Yeah, we gonna chase the night in the rain, barefooted and all. I'm not going to matter and sit in the cell for hours on top of hours
You
when
have-
I've been dropped from them charges.
I got you. That's something you're gonna have to speak with them
They
with.
transported me here. Magistrate
I mean, what else do you got to do? You said you was homeless.
said I could not come back until I go to court.
She's getting
so
a little
tell me
rowdy.
about that.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I'm not
No,
gonna
I'm
argue with
finna
you.
call. I'm finna find out myself since you won't ask.
Okay. So
I'm a first responder. I'm a firefighter. I helped y'all last night. That
What? How? You? Nah.
was some fucked
You? Nah. You a damn lie.
up shit. Metaphor 314.
okay.
So
Yes,
guess
ma'am.
what? Y'all gonna chase.
We're not. We're not doing this.
Man, I don't care. Y'all this in the room. All y'all want.
Let go of the bag.
No, it's my stuff.
Let go of
For
the
y'all
bag.
to go through it and fuck with me all the time. I don't want y'all to have
All the time. So this is not a once type of thing. This is like, okay.
Quit resisting.
Stop.
Stop
no
resisting.
I already done been to them, and I'm not going back.
We definitely going back if they arresting you.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop fucking with me. You trying to make me hit the goddamn ground. I took y'all in peacefully. Now you won't work.
Oh my, oh, big baby.
Get on the ground.
Oh God. Oh.
Get on the ground.
Ooh, these officers need some milk. She got her rest. She ready to go. Oh, goddamn. Fight back. Fight back. You better stop doing all that moving because the rest of your brain's about to come out.
Step it up.
She behind step. When y'all could just let me get in.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Now.
Hell no.
We're not asking.
I don't care.
We
I
try-
could have got in.
We tried to do this civilly.
Call your just so true.
Call who?
Resisting.
Jackson?
I don't care. I already got a big pro baby here.
Big baby. Oh shit. Damn. Why that come with done? See what happened when you fight it?
I used to put them in the front, but you rather do it.
They're not going in the front.
I don't care.
She do care because that's the reason she brought it up.
We got a police service. Get my phone, bro.
Stop resisting.
Oh. Oh. Shit. Damn. She is not playing around.
Man, I got this arm. I got this arm. I got this arm. I got the left arm. I got the left arm. We're good.
Oh, you know your fat ass is on.
Damn, they needed like 4 mins for this lady. Shit.
Need another pair?
No, we got that.
Yeah.
You ain't lying. I know her big ass tired.
I ain't rolling over shit.
Look, you just did it. Come on, big nasty. I don't know why, but every time I see some rain, I just want to do it for Lil Saint.
You can put her in mine. I can transport her.
Oh, where's she at? Where you at?
Down here.
I would have been like, could you not park a little closer? It's fucking raining.
Good job.
Asshole.
Yeah, she hit me.
Hit you?
Yeah. She hit me and Katanzarides.
Oh, wow.
Are you ready?
Fun. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Our jail now.
Yeah. She's going to our jail. She's laying down. She's trying to get out.
Nope. She's gonna need a chair.
Is she asleep?
Cause,
Sarge, we did sweep her. You good?
yes.
Turn your camera on. Just always sitting here on the floor.
Yeah.
My key's in there on the floor too.
How hard is this?
Oh shit.
You okay? She look like she was out of breath. I'll be out of breath too.
Hey!
Hey, cut
What
it
is she
out.
doing now?
You're out. You following? Yeah. You got two behind you.
You can't stop the rain. You can't stop the rain.
I'm gonna be en route to the BCSO, one female.
She still kicking?
Yeah.
He big as hell.
Hey, come on out.
Baby,
You're getting out of the car.
Bitch, you gonna fight the woman out.
Do we want to get tased?
Tase me, motherfucker.
We
I
wanna
don't
get
give a
tased?
damn.
Huh?
I don't give a damn.
She do want to get tased.
Fuck up that anyway.
We what?
You fuck up. You twelve. Don't give a damn about your skinny Mexican bitch. Why in the house? She's fucked up.
Who's Mexican?
Her bitch ass.
You mean the one? You mean the one?
No,
You mean the
no,
one?
tripping through. I don't give a damn.
If she's standing here, you're in handcuffs.
I'll whoop her ass with no handcuffs.
With a no handcuff? Oh, dang. I want to see that happen.
Go to the other side and push her.
I've been mad as hell. They pushing me from the back.
I got it.
She said, ah!
Stand your big ass up.
Wait a minute. Wait, I was not expecting that. Oh, man, we got to replay that back. Bro.
Stand your big ass up.
Two cops can't take down one. Should have sent my best friend.
They should have sent me.
Yeah, I would have went in the car with your kind ass.
I appreciate it.
Now they got her in the straight chair. You know how fucked up you got to be to get in there?
And I got my cousin 3 times changed for you too.
Now you got to be dollied inside the prison. I ain't never seen somebody get dolly, y'all. That's different. What was she charged with? Civil battery, obstruction, interference with government property.
We were just trying to get her to leave, and she.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm pretty sure jail would have been a lot better for her than going outside the rain, because nobody don't like to get rained on. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.